In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Patreon to make money online. First, open your browser and go to patreon.com. Log into your account using your usual credentials. Make sure you're on a secure connection and, if you can, have two-factor authentication turned on to keep your account safe. Once you're in, you'll land on your Patreon home area, which can look a bit like a dashboard or feed. Next, look toward the top right corner and click your profile icon. This opens a small menu where you can access all your creator tools. If you're on mobile, the profile image or menu button in the corner will get you to the same place. Patreon updates its layout from time to time, so don't worry if things are slightly shifted. The profile menu is the doorway to your creator controls. From that menu, choose your creator page. This is important because your creator page is where you actually set up what you'll offer and how you'll earn. Think of it as your storefront and hub for your audience. If you've customized your banner and bio already, great. If not, you can still proceed and refine visuals and descriptions later. The key is to be on the creator side of your account, not just the member feed. On your creator page, you'll see an option labeled Start a Paid Membership. Click. Get started there. This sets you up with a subscription-style model in which fans pay you monthly or annually to unlock exclusive work and benefits. It's ideal if you plan to publish ongoing content, build a community, or offer perks like early access, behind-the-scenes posts, bonus episodes, or member-only live sessions. Patreon will guide you through the setup, including naming your membership options, describing what patrons receive, and previewing how your page will look. Keep your offer clear and simple at first, and be specific about what supporters get so expectations are aligned. Alternatively, look for the section labeled Sell Your Best Work. Here you can sell individual posts, products, and collections to anyone without requiring a membership. This approach is great for one-off items like a digital download, a single video or tutorial, a preset pack, or a standalone workshop. It's perfect if your content is more project-based, or if you want a lower commitment option for your audience. You can run this alongside a membership too. Just make sure your descriptions clearly explain what's included with membership versus what's sold separately. That's it. Head to your creator page, choose between a recurring membership or one-off sales, and let Patreon guide you through the setup. Keep your offer clear, deliver consistently, and you'll be ready to turn your audience into supporters